while I was in my college, I used to come home late, completely tired and exhausted. And as soon as I used to come home, I used to have my dinner, have shower, and then I used to go to bed. But then eventually I realized that whatever I was doing was absolutely wrong. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So in today's video we are going to focus on few things or few mistakes that we do after having meals, but we feel कि these things are normal because we don't see the side effects of it. But हो सकता है कि उसके जो effects है वो आपको अभी ना दिखे, लेकिन बाद में they are going to affect you very badly. ठीक है, so we'll be focusing on few things that we need to avoid after meals. Okay. Okay guys, so the first mistake or first thing that you need to avoid is having shower या फिर having bath. Okay, so there were times when I used to do this mistake. I used to have my meals and sometimes I used to have my bath in the night. Like after having my dinner, I used to go and have shower. So that was a mistake which I used to do like few years back. Now I have stopped doing it. But you know, if you are doing that, then that is completely wrong. You need to stop right now. Kyuki, so let me explain you all how it happens or how it goes. Okay, so after you have your meals, whether it's lunch or dinner or whatever, so what happens, डाइजेशन स्टार्ट होता है. ठीक है, खाने खाने के बाद डाइजेशन स्टार्ट होता है एंड फॉर दैट योर ब्लड इज रिक्वायर्ड टू स्टार्ट द डाइजेशन. ठीक है, so your blood that is required for digestion gets diverted when you have your shower. ठीक है, so जो ब्लड नेसेसरी होता है या फिर नीडेड होता है टू स्टार्ट योर डाइजेशन, दैट गेट्स डाइवर्टेड, मतलब उसका अटेंशन कहीं और जाता है एंड दैट अटेंशन गोज टूवर्ड्स योर स्किन. ठीक है, सो व्हेन यू हैव योर बाथ द वाटर फॉल्स ऑन योर स्किन, सो ब्लड क्या होता है, डाइवर्ट हो जाता है टूवर्ड्स योर स्किन एंड डाइजेशन होने में टाइम लगता है. सो डाइजेशन डजंट हैपन. ठीक है, so that is why you should wait for at least half an hour or 1 hour and then if you want to have shower you can have your shower. ठीक है, other thing is also that your body temperature decreases. Okay, so when you have your bath, when you have shower, your body temperature decreases, because of which your body needs excess amount of energy for digestion. Okay, so that is the reason why you should not bath as soon as you have your food. Okay, so the second thing that you need to avoid is drinking tea or coffee after your meals. Okay, so if you have little bit of information or knowledge about chemistry, then you must be knowing कि there is a group of compounds called as phenols. ठीक है, तो जैसे carbohydrates और proteins वगैरह होते हैं, वैसे there is a group called phenols. तो ये phenol group जो रहता है वो टी एंड कॉफ़ी में प्रेजेंट रहता है. सो उसकी वजह से क्या होता है, ये फिनॉल कंपाउंड जो रहते हैं वो टी और कॉफ़ी को एब्जॉर्ब करने में इनहिबिट करता है. ठीक है, तो जिसकी वजह से एब्जॉर्प्शन बिल्कुल नहीं होता. सो हमारे मील्स में या हमारे खाने में आयरन या विटामिन सी रहता है, तो वो एब्जॉर्ब नहीं करता ये फिनॉल ग्रुप. ओके, जिसकी वजह से जो नेसेसरी आयरन एंड विटामिन सी है हमारे बॉडी के लिए वो हमें नहीं मिलता, और ये इनहिबिट करने का काम करता है फिनॉल ग्रुप विच इज प्रेजेंट इन टी एंड कॉफी, एंड देयरफॉर यू शुड अवॉइड ड्रिंकिंग टी एंड कॉफी आफ्टर योर मील्स. ठीक है, एंड इफ यू मतलब अगर आपको आदत है टी और कॉफी पीने की after your meals, then you should make sure कि your food has like more amounts of iron and vitamin C. So you can have like brown rice or you can have soya bean which contains lot of iron, and also you can have vitamin C, like foods which contain vitamin C like capsicum or even spinach. They contain a huge amounts of vitamin C. So if you are having these type of food and if you drink tea, then I think the balance is maintained. Okay, but if you have iron deficiency, like if you already know कि your body has less amounts of iron and vitamin C, then you should like stop drinking tea and coffee. This is what I would personally recommend. Okay, and if you मतलब if you can't get rid of this habit, आपको ये आदत है कि आपको चाय पीनी ही है, then you can switch to green tea. Okay, so instead of coffee or normal tea, you can switch to green tea because that is like very helpful. Okay, And yeah, otherwise you can just have hot water. That is, I think, the best thing if you love drinking anything hot after your meals. Third thing that you need to avoid is immediate sleeping. And this thing I'm going to stop it from today onwards, because I have a very bad habit that after having my dinner I just fall in my bed or watch any series in my phone. So I think I'm going to stop it from today onwards because it's very bad. Okay, and there are various side effects. Okay, so I'll be explaining you all one by one. So first thing is heartburn. Okay, so the acid that is present in your stomach, क्या हो जाता है, it just rises up. So after you lie horizontal or if you lie flat on your bed or on the floor, जो एसिड हमारे पेट में रहता है, it rises up to the esophagus and your throat, and जिसकी वजह से you get acidity and bloating and heartburn. Okay, so वो चेस्ट के लेवल में आ जाता है, एंड दैट इज वाई यू गेट द प्रॉब्लम कॉल्ड एज हार्ट बर्न, विच इज वेरी डेंजरस. देन सेकेंड थिंग इज यू कैन गेट स्ट्रोक. ओके, सो स्ट्रोक कैसे होता है? वंस यू lie flat on the ground, your body needs excess amount of energy to start the process of digestion. Okay, जिसकी वजह से there is a lot of pressure on your blood which can rise your blood sugar level and which can also lead to stroke. Okay, so that is another thing. And another reason why you need to avoid immediate sleeping is because it can lead to weight gain. So if you have had like food which has lot of fats and calories, तो calories burn नहीं होते, जिसकी वजह से the fat in your body rises up. It leads to weight gain. So there's no burning of calories happening as such, and therefore you need to avoid immediate sleeping. Okay, so the fourth thing that you need to avoid is eating fruits as soon as you have your meals. Okay, so there are nutritionists who say that fruits are itself a meal. So like if you're having one meal and uske upar if you're having fruits, so it's like you're having two meals for your lunch or for your dinner. So which is like not at all good, क्योंकि you don't get nutrients, proper nutrients, neither from your food that you're having or not from the fruits that you're eating after your meals. ठीक है? So you don't get proper nutrients from any of the meals, and therefore it just hinders your digestion and you don't get nutrients that are beneficial for you. Okay, so the best time to eat fruits is on an empty stomach. So I basically do is in the morning after drinking like 1 to 2 glasses of warm water, I eat fruits. Like after 15-20 minutes I eat fruits, and then after half an hour or after 45 minutes I have my breakfast. So this is something I do, so even you can follow. But yeah, no eating fruits immediately after your meals. The last thing or the fifth thing that you need to avoid after meals is no smoking. So I was reading blogs yesterday and I found that one cigarette that you smoke after your meals is equal to smoking 10 cigarettes. Okay, so you can understand the ratio and you can understand like how harmful it is smoking after your meals. Okay, so yeah, so if you're doing that, then there are high chances of you getting lung cancer and also bowel cancer. So just stop smoking after your meals. Guys, so these were the 5 things you need to avoid in order to have a very fit lifestyle, because ये सारी चीज़ें जो मैंने बताई है, they are like very dangerous for you. अभी आपको इसके side effects नहीं पता चलेंगे, but as soon as you become older, you're going to see the side effects. Okay, so it's better कि you start taking precautions than then afterwards looking for some cure or some medicines or treatment. So it's better that you start doing it from today itself. And yeah, so if you think that I've missed any points, then you can let me know in the comments. And if you like this video and if you find out that whatever I spoke is helpful, is going to helpful, then please give this video a like. Also don't forget to follow me on Instagram. And yeah, if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, please subscribe. And I'll see you guys very soon. Bye.